Hi students, welcome to your math lesson of the day. Today we're going to be talking about 9.2 and big ideas math. So in this section we are going to be learning how to use the number line with using addition with two-digit numbers. So for our first example, we have 22 plus 7. Now you're thinking, Miss Schultz, 7 is just a one-digit number, and you are correct. But we are going to solve how we would solve this on the number line. So since we are solving a number that is one digit, we are going to put ones in our number line. So if we were starting on 22, I'm going to count by my 1. So what's the next number after 22 if we were counting by ones upwards to 100? So 22 plus 1 will be 23. And then it'll be 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, and I'm going to pause at 30 since we are adding less than 10. So if we're adding plus 7, so we know we have 0 in the tens place since the number is less than 10, but we're adding with 7. So we're just going to count upwards by 7 times because remember, when we have a plus sign, we are going to go this way on the number line towards 100, and when we have a minus sign, we're going to go down towards 100, so we'll be going in this direction. So since we're adding 7, we're going to go upwards to 100, and how many times? 7 times. So we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then let's see, we were to 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. So we got 29 as our answer, and that is one of our answer choices in this problem. But if you're like, I don't know if I did that on the number line, you could also look at our ones place. So we have 2 in the ones place in 22, and we have 7 in the ones place in 7 since it's less than 10. And what is 2 plus 7? So if you hold up 7 fingers and you add 2 more, you will get 8, 9. So we would have 9 in our ones place, which is one of our answer choices. And since we have 0 in front of the 7, we'll just move that 2 over to make that answer 29. Okay, let's try another practice problem. No, let's check our work. And then let's try another practice problem. Okay, so in this example, we have two-digit numbers. We're adding with two-digit numbers. So let's see. So we have our 35 starting point right here on the number line, but we're adding with 41. So what I like to do, so we have 4 in our tens place. So I would like to put four places that represent counting by tens on our number line. So since we're starting out with 35 and I'm going to count by tens 4 times, we'll have 45. And then what's next after we counted 10 times by 45? 55. And then we have 65. And then we have 75. Okay, so I counted up by tens 4 times since 4 was in my tens place. But since I have 1 left over in my ones place, I'm just going to put 1 more up. So if we add 75 plus 1, we would have 76. Okay? So notice how, like, you remember, we've been practicing making number lines based on counting up by 10 times or counting less by 10 times. Or we've been in just by counting by ones on the number place value line, working with 1 through 10 or 10 through 20. So this lesson, it kind of combines both of those. But what I like to do when I'm drawing my number line, I like to count, like in my tens place value first to see how many times of 10 I need to count up by. Since 4 was in my tens place, I'm going to count up by tens 4 times. So notice I started on 35 and I counted 1, 2, 3, 4 up to 75, 45, 55, 65, 75. And then I have 1 in my ones place, so I just went up by 1. So after I quit counting up by tens 4 times, since 4 was in my tens place value in 41, I look at my ones place to see how many ones I need to put in place in my number line. And since I only have 1, I only put 1, which was 76, because 75 plus 1 is 76. Okay, and since I now organized my number line, now it is time to do some addition. So here we go. We're going to go up, like I said, 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then I just go up by 1 because that's how many is in my ones place. So I have the number 76 as my answer. And if you're like, I don't know, Ms. Schultz, that was a lot to process. That was a lot of information, Ms. Schultz. What's another way we could solve how to do this problem if the number line seems confusing for me? Like I said, if you are confused by the number line, don't I cannot talk today, but don't be discouraged by using the number line. I encourage you guys to practice using the number line because that's going to help you do addition and subtraction later on in math. But so first try the number line, but if you want to double check your answer, then that's okay. So what I like to do, I like to look at my tens place value, and we have 3 plus 4, and that will bring our answer in the tens place to 7. And then we have 5 plus 1 in our ones place, so that will make 5 plus 1 is 6. So that will make our answer 76. And that's all of the examples I'm going to go over with you on 9.2, and I'll let you guys practice. But if you have any questions about any of the worksheets on Class Dojo, like you're stuck on a problem, please feel free to message me during school, during my office hours, and I'll be more than happy to help you out. And if you have any questions, let me know. Thanks. Bye.